We now return to Muppet Babies.
Piggy, I don't think Kermie Jr. is doing so well.
Kill me! I'm in constant pain! Yes! No! Gentlemen, behold! I have made love to this machine! And now, upon retrospect, I ask why.
Well, what about the groundbreaking work Dr. Krieger is doing for ISIS in our Applied Research Division?
Yeah, tell him about the sex robot.
The what?
Yes, the what?
I call him Fister Roboto.
But it doesn't just fist. Tell him.
He's a fully integrated, multi-fetish artificial being.
That is the most disgusting...
Shut. And the best part is that he's learning.
So you'd be too tired to stop? Obliterate a bot! Yes, eat it. Eat the cookie!
Sonic, wait! Don't eat that cookie!
What? 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 Why?
Well, chocolate chunk is my favorite.
You gotta be kidding me!
You have to, approve my dance for the, festival next week?
Just gotta flash the stash.
My summer-themed seat cushions with floral upholstery that complements each guest's natural coloring are ready. The ice sculpture has melted just enough to hide the carving marks. And I dug a trench around the picnic table and filled it with broken glass. I might have used rose petals, but we'll go with it. Sonic, how are you doing on those fruit drinks? Why am I not surprised? Tails, where's the soothing music? Right here, but I thought it would be better if I gave it a little boost. Knuckles, are my grilled pheasants ready?
Not now, Amy. I'm busy.
You know what scares me now? When my wife says, "Does this thong make my ass look fat?"